You really have been an amazing audience. So very appreciated. We're gonna try and sing a song around this one little microphone here. But we can hear everything that you do as much as you can hear everything that we do. So if you can just give us 5 minutes of your time and we'll sing you a song.
Yeah, it's gonna be fucking quiet. Is he good to you? Can he do to you the things that I do? Oh no, I can take you higher. Oh, I'm on fire. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, as you know, put a 6-inch valley through the middle of my soul. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you could cool my desire. Oh, I'm on fire.